Second day off vlog, right? No, you know what? I'm not really too good. I just woke up. Much better. So what's up, guys? Got more energy? Hang on, let me turn off the fan. Let me shut this. Because it's gonna be blazing hot today. Anyways, I was gonna finish editing the challenge video from yesterday. And then go to Sophia and we're gonna go do stuff. Yeah, that's about it. All I got for right now, so I hope it entertains you guys. Alright, well there it is. Video's done. Not exporting, which means I gotta get out of here and go get Sophia and come up here where it's gonna be blazing hot. You know, it's almost October and it's 92 degrees. Yeah. How much it would kill not to be in California lately? A lot. Anyways, I'm not gonna vlog while drive because people don't like that, so we'll see you guys soon. Just got over here in the Santa Cruz. We dropped off her brother at our aunt's, his aunts, their aunts, and what? Oh, that's not like that. Anyways, we're just going into Goodwill, find her a Halloween costume, because we kind of have mine. We have a part of it, but it's a secret. We won't show you guys until Halloween. It's nice. I like it. I think it's a yes. It's just like I was telling her, I think we got a little more than enough stuff for our costumes, but you know, it's better than buying a whole new costumes and all that stuff because, yeah, this was pretty expensive for Goodwill stuff, but it's a lot cheaper than buying new stuff, that's for sure.
This is like, for what we bought, all this is like one costume.
Yeah, I know. That's really nice, actually. Alright, we're just gonna go back to my house, get lunch. I'm gonna post the challenge video on YouTube. And then plan the rest of our day out somewhere, somehow. Alright guys, it'll be uploaded very soon. Exactly 34 more, oh wait. In 34 minutes it will be done. So let's go get burgers, huh? It's a good old fashioned griller. Doing some grilling for my baby. She's relaxing. She's relaxing. She's chill.
Hi.
Hi.
How's grilling?
Huh?
How's grilling?
Oh, you see how it goes. Little flames, maybe almost cut the house on fire. No biggie. And you can see here and you hear poof poof. Let's check on those burgers. Mmm. Oh damn, looking good. That one's all thick. Look at that. I call it the Sorensen Thick Burger. I call it the Sorensen Thick Burger. That's what I call it. What do you think, babe? How was it? It's good? Let's fix this here. There we go. Oh, do you get? Ew. Oh, do you get none? His face. So I had to recook mine because my other one was just like a miserable wreck. I felt bad for it. But no, I got a good one. I got my cheese, my buns. I'm gonna toast them. Ah, look at it now. Look at that. Makes me delicious. Sorry if I'm making you guys really hungry too. Note to self, it is almost October. And it's almost 90 degrees outside. So in that case, as we're going to the mall, we're gonna get some drinks. Just water. For my little canteens. Just making a quick stop here at a place called Home Space Workspace. Just furniture. We just wanted to come here, look at furniture. Hey look, there's another furniture store right across the street. So we got VIP parking. So yeah, there's just stuff to do. I like looking at furniture, especially soft stuff. Like look at all this. Please use the other door, not that one. Okay.
Hello.
What's up, guys? Alright, well, heading over to Spirit Halloween. What's up, guys? Heading over to the Spirit Halloween store. Just gonna look around. Hopefully she doesn't get too scared. Focus, man. Oh, there we go. He's trying to crawl.
Because you're gonna get like a lab table part, right?
What's that? Yeah.
Sweet one with those.
She's turned into a wolf. Okay, we're good. Okay, one of the major reasons why I come here is for the animation. They do the coolest stuff. So look, look. Goes all the way around. It's just all cool stuff. I have a really bad habit if I see really nice stuff. If I see stuff I want, I buy. Does anyone else have that problem? I really have that problem. It sucks. Cause I just saw a bunch of Star Wars shit and I want to buy every single one of those things. Sat down, got our food. This is what our dinner is right here. The good old fashioned Panda Express. Boom, the straps coming off again. This is our dinner for today. So we're gonna eat. So see you guys in a second. So guys, sorry, it's really late. It's 10:12. I just got back from taking Sophia home. We just kind of got back to the house and watched a few TV series, and then took her home. I'm calling it a night, guys. Thank you for watching the vlogs. If you guys enjoy watching them, hit that like button, subscribe. Make sure you guys go check out the challenge video if you have not yet already. We love you, and we'll see you guys in the next video, next vlog tomorrow. So, peace out, guys. Love you.